Imo one name, Imo one name, Imo one name, Onyoga Derema. Imo one name, Onyoga Derema. Imo one name, Imo one name, Onyane Lomilo, Amuboya, Onyane Lomilo, Ibidaya, Onyane Lomilo, Ogaya Minyoma, Onyane Lomilo, Ogaya Delibe, Onyane Lomilo, Chukube Megideya, Onyane Lomilo, Anyaboya, Onyane Lomilo. Hey, babe. Can we help you who troll am hog, but I just drop long big plantain. Any dog will go jam my shit this morning. You get real protein. Only get a protein, no thing, and I see. Maka, the man, anyhow. Oh, hey, here you go. Be honest. Call it a mighty God. He's a mighty God. He's a let adore him, oh, angel bow before.
Nah, Imo, Orim, Origa, Obulo.
I'm not talking sorry about him. And let me get
Agent
toilet. Nay, he got a toilet no more. Ebemsi Atalamaka. Atalamaka. Our Ebemsi, Our Nam got a toilet. You know what the league got any more argument. Toilet or not the gun. Come near with the Latin who look him. There's no toilet in your father's house. You can just make a toy. And he's not.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh,
Tunumbu.
oh,
Tea.
oh,
Teeth.
Jesus Christ.
Issue.
Just hello. Ndara. Asikwan. Ekumi eku. So, if Haglog were Gadi, then as you bread again, Rishi.
Olo.
Give me get Olo Makachine. If you shout Olo, the kind slap I go slap you now, you no go like me. So Ndara, if you follow for people where they take bread, they chop shit. Oh shit! Come on. I see they chop. Give that shit why I drop it. If you touch my shit, if you see dog shit, chop. If you see go to shit, chop. But if you ever tamper with my own shit, come if for me to bring out money for you, I go bring out generational curse onto you. Yes! So you might be like anymore. No wonder. They say the other day they say oh he bite take. The other day I hear say Otra Daniel like opera where you go shit for bush. Say dog, all the dogs don't divest. If they enter bush now, they know they see shit to chop again. Say young boys now waiting the rain for them. Everybody they chop shit. If they go take and chop bread just to make money, just to do ritual. So you don't enter ritual. You want to take bread.
You have to have
come in more here to go and chop people shit. As you they chop people shit. Any day where you see any shit where they temple me. Pass so because if you touch that shit, you will shit. That is not ordinary shit or not blessed shit. Shit of the person where they say they don't bless them already. So this is what you do.
70 years old man.
Mama,
What are you trying to say?
bread ncho oreta. Awuna ejunya eri she go on hojo.
Jabi bogo if you chop my shit whether na bad thing. Why you go chop my shit in the first place? Every other shit where there for this village, no money again. See crop. See they just stand. See all the cassava where they here. See all of them just lose your because they know they see money again. Where people they can't drop with your child with their good mind. You go enter bush, you drop. When I go take bread, give me a sweet and you want to make money. You got time one under
na chief oh bia arebo oh some ma
Obi Aribo some ma. I wouldn't shake him. If mind no dey good for boys, you no go be for my shit. If you be harrying my boys, may una go other place, go the chop. As when I come to this world, all shit one I did. People na ga church, not all reading song. I don't Christian, yeah, I mean, honey, what's again? Get put was always saying, say on your done, you can never go meet my shit. I go protect my shit. No, cross this place. So, if anything happen to my shit in that rap, you no go like me. If anything happen to my shit, you no go like me. I no go take go. I go wait for you here. I must protect. In fact, I'm going to carry that.
The way no, who shake now? Ncho, you go to share with seven. Maybe the way shake.
No, bro. I no go blame you. You go chop every other person's shit, but my shit is unchoppable. You can never dare it. Stupid vagabond. All your mates for this life, everybody in a butter they use chop bread. When I there for dormitory, when I there for secondary school, they bread here. Now bread, you know, we go buy butter at a certain look local, they look cupboard die yote. When you butter, I'm gonna see as this boy is live fine. But these days, young boys, he just hammer butter and all shit.
You want to
now shit, now they take do butter. Who saw who wire man? Who will maybe a this word don't spoil oh. This word don't spoil oh. Before the only dog will they see the enter bush chop shit. These days, young boys go carry bread, enter bush. They look for where people drop shit. How they bread? How's rich? Hi, abominable. Yeah. Come on, Gamutan Wagalani. Because there's no need that you get birth to a child that's supposed to be useful. At the end of the day, come on, what got useful? Yes, again, but not the other way around. How can you buy bread? Mabru, language on the hotel. Mabria can buy for Elah, walking. I cannot reach Chukumotos. Mabri, global serious boss. Abaji Moya. You go to look for shit. Give him mangoes, give through here. Give him Shimboko. Give through here. Give him Sarah and Gareth and drop the shit. Get me bread. Through here. Hey! I detest everything that comes out of you. You young boys of nowadays. I can never leave this place until my shit is protected. Come on, waterproof. Carry that my shit to go for my family, drop them. You go there, they are rotting. Instead of you to chop my shit to take and do ritual, I go back there and I take waterproof. Brush him, go back. Anybody where they shit for bush now, be careful. Oh. Whether you are a man or a woman, even where you piss. They don't see your urine, leave them. Your urine, the few put them for tea, turn noya. As they chop shit, now your urine, they go see leave. Where be anywhere where you reach, you open leg, do like this. Anywhere you come, give put that machine gun, nobody care. Wosaya. These days, they don't play with anything will come out of people. Even your spit like this, now money, they go use you go do ritual. If you not repent, now before we say if a young boy die, I go they cry. This day, any young boy will die. They cry, why go cry for that person? I hear they cry here now. If you hear me, turn away from evil. Turn away from evil. Because here now to turn away. Instead of me to live big just for 2 months and I die and my parents will remain crying, it's better I remain average or I even remain poor and live longer. Because if you don't make money now, your children will make money in the future. You become papa to rich man. Most of us will get money now. Our parents don't make money too much. Now God's time, when you wait for God's time, He will visit you and bless you. But be careful. Mind what you do. Because whatever you do today is waiting for you tomorrow. Go to every junction that leads to all the villages. Gone so soon. We regret to announce. Painful is it. We hardly see celebration of life. Yeah, one maybe. Oh, God, chucho. Bread and shit. You not gonna ever see my shit. If you get here, listen to me. To feel more, to the talk. Now him be this so. Now truth I the talk. If you like, hate me. But the truth is bitter. And the bitterness of it must be told. Even the truth is bitter. More than when you chop bread and shit. This one too bitter, where. But if you take this my advice, let me protect my shit before I get shots. Can't brush him there.